Did you stick on to NCRT line by line for your preparation? Any competitive exams it could be. So what was your study material apart from your class notes?
From apart from class notes for biology, I had given my 100% on NCRT. I had read uh, nearly 20 times the NCRT thoroughly.
Mm-hmm.
And again for
20
chemistry,
times. Mark
yes
the
ma'am,
word 20 times.
yes ma'am. And
Amazing. Yeah.
and for physics, I had not. I'm sure that I'm not read NCRT at all. I'm
Okay.
100% dependent on class notes.
Okay.
Then for
Most of the
physical
students
chemistry,
would say this. Even the faculties are also, saying the same suggestions to many of the students to stick on to the notes rather than sticking on to NCRT, because from NCRT seems like the number of questions are very rare, right?
yes ma'am, because
Hmm.
physics is more conceptual, which you
Correct.
can't
Correct.
understand by just reading NCRT. You
Hmm.
need a mentor. And then
Correct.
for physical chemistry, I read some chapters, but not all thoroughly. For
Hmm.
inorganic chemistry, I had read all the NCRT points
Hmm.
deeply.
Hmm.
And for organic, I had read, but not too many times. But for inorganic, I had read as much as I have read biology.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
the uh,
Memory
uh,
part.
memory part of inorganic chemistry, it was same as biology.
Biology. So
So the approach for
what I
so the approach
understood
for
is whatever you have to put for the memory for a longer time, you used to keep reading it, right? You always
yes
had,
ma'am.
you always had that determination of, okay, let's read it again, let's read it again, let's read it again until it stood in your memory, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
And like in inorganic, most of the questions come from NCRT only.
Yes, absolutely.
And,
Most of the
and
time, yeah, most of the time from inorganic, for NEET as well as for KCT, the way they extract questions will be like from the corner of the NCRT textbook line. So I would suggest the same thing to all the KCT aspirants. And I actually had suggested during the KCT revision also, if you're really preparing in organic chemistry, please read the NCRT line. And the students were like, ma'am, we have no time, we have no time. Then I
ma'am,
was
it
like,
is
okay,
must.
prepare the corner. At least you need to read the textbook of chemistry
Yes ma'am.
uh, for inorganic part, especially, right?
Yes ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, and the problem with me was that I was remembering all the formulas from physical chemistry or physics. There was not a problem, but I used to forget that key points like memory points, like examples in biology, example exceptions in inorganic chemistry.
Correct,
So
correct.
all that points I've marked it and noted it and sticked on my study table, front wall.
Okay,
And
this
daily
is
I used
one.
to read it.
Akash, I guess this is something which all the students, whomever might hear your interview, take the point. So something if you something if you feel like you're forgetting, write it and paste it on the study table or anywhere where you have the where you have contact continuous sight or continuous what do we say, vision, or your contact with that particular content should be spontaneous and always continuously spontaneous, I would say, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's something which I always even did it, like when I had to revise the periodic table, I used to plug the periodic table to a place where my sight will always go directly and always spontaneous. It is like there should not be any obstacles, that it should be very clearly visible to us what we have written, and it should come to our face also, like mind also. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll ask you another set of questions which my students will ask in the class. So they are
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
they started their journey this year, like class 11th and class 12th, the students, and they feel it difficult to adjust their, offline classes, college, then the traveling part, and then again coming here, online coaching. So if you were in their shoes, how would you tackle the situation?
Like for me, the biggest hurdle was traveling because I used to spend nearly 3 to 4 hours in traveling only per day.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Because my college from my home is nearly 12 kilometers,
Oh.
so I used to spend a lot of time, and there was shortage of buses.
Hmm.
So it was the biggest hurdle for me. Then my timing was like I used to get up at 6 o'clock and I used to leave my home at 7 o'clock and catch the bus and reach my college at 8 o'clock. Then from the 8, the classes would be till 2 o'clock. Then after 2 o'clock, I used to reach my home by 3:30 or by 4. Then in half an hour only, because I have purchased a PW only for PCB, means for only NEET.
Got it.
So
Got it.
I used to spend half an hour for the maths theory content, which was taught in the college, and other PCB. The revision was fully based on PW. I used to attend the classes and I used to get fully revised with it.
So, what is your point of controlling thing? Like maybe